Hi everyone and welcome to today's Qigong practice. This is a good Qigong exercise if you want to open and stretch the upper body, especially the chest and the arms. Stand up straight, soften your knees, keep your back upright and tailbone relaxed down to lengthen the spine. Relax your whole body. Place one hand on your lower back, the other by the rib cage, palm facing up. Turn your hips and your torso to the side and then extend your arm out. Turn to the other side as if you draw in a line with your hand. Go all the way back to the point when it feels comfortable. Feel a gentle stretch in the neck, across the chest and the arm. Release, come back to center and press upward, stretching and lengthening the body. Release with exhalation, relax the neck and shoulders and lower the hand down. Repeat the same on the other side. Keep your breath soft and tension-free. Do not hold your breath. You should be inhaling and exhaling all the time. Repeat the movement 6 to 8 times. Take time to observe and connect the mind to the body. Every time you exhale and relax the muscles, notice a pleasant sensation inside, a feeling of comfort and relaxation in the neck, shoulders, chest and arms. When you're finished, relax the hands by the side and take a moment to notice how your body feels. Thanks for watching. I hope you feel better. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Have a good day and goodbye.